Hello, my name is Matthew, and today for BlackCherry I am going to be drawing out this lovely coat hook right here. Isn't it pretty? So pretty. Okay, getting started. I already have the measurements I need to work with, so I'm just going to get underway. Start off with, I'm going to get the rectangle tool over here. I'm going to drag it, and I'm going to put it at 2 millimeters going across the bottom, because that's how thick it needs to be overall, and 60 millimeters tall. No, that's 260. Whoopsie. There we go. Now it's right. And this lovely little rectangle right here, I'm just going to move it so it's all sort of in line, is about the same as that one there. Maybe a bit lower. Ooh, what's happening? Ah, there we go. Everything just froze up for a little bit of a minute. That's okay. So we're going to get our lovely rectangle back out, zooming out way too far. We're going to put it right here. Now we're going to need two of these, as there is another one that is up on the top here. Everything on the hook is regioned, so can't select things individually. So what we're going to do is going to take the clone or copy tool. It says copy, so it's the copy tool. We're going to copy this rectangle right here, and that's another one of those. But this is at an angle which is a 45-degree angle, so I'm going to take this second lovely rectangle and we're going to rotate it at a 45-degree angle. But that's not right. It needs to be facing that way, so I'm going to move it up a little and then we're going to rotate it again. And all we're going to do is we're going to see if we can drag it on a snap so that it faces the right way. And there it is. That's the right way. Now we need, I think it's, yeah, we need these outer corners to intersect one another properly. So we're going to grab our lovely rectangular friend up here. We're going to grab him by this corner and we're going to put him on here. So he all sits up nice and lovely. Isn't that nice? But we don't want that there. That's not what we need. So we're going to take the trim tool over here and we're just going to get rid of this. Just going to get rid of the wrong one. So I'll undo that. Zoom me back in. And just there. Nice and lovely. There we go. Isn't that nice? So that's all. That is these parts done. But for this hook, we could do that a couple of ways, but the simplest way to do it is we're going to grab this the circle tool, we're going to drag it out so we know what we're working with. We could drag it either way, and I'm just pulling it to the right. And we're going to put it by 15 millimeters on the diameter. That's how much we need. Now, since we know that this is 2 millimeters thick, what we're going to do is going to take the offset tool over here, and we're just going to offset this circle 2 millimeters to the inside. And there we go, nice and lovely. Now we need a curved hook, so we need to slice this circle in half. So I'm going to get the line tool here and just draw the line straight through the middle. Then we're going to trim this down again so we can get rid of that top half there, this middle part here, and there we are, we've got that part. So we're now just going to move all of this, just move it all so it all sits there, nice and lovely. Now we've got this line here though, and we don't need that, so we'll just trim that out of the way. Oh, and we've got a part that we'll have to erase because it's not connected to anything. Apparently it is. What's it connected to? Oh, something has gone a bit squiffy. Ah, there we go, we got it. Didn't want to go away then. Right, now that looks fair enough done. Ah, no, it needs all regioning, so we'll region it together. Oh, I haven't grabbed everything. There we go. We'll just right click and that's all regioned together. Now, I'd say that's about done, but it's not done at all. It's not true. Because if we click here, when we've shifted this view, we can see, we're going to drag up our lovely gradient tool, we can see that this is actually 3D. So what we're going to have to do is going to have to go back to the top, go back to the wireframe, that way I don't confuse myself. We're going to have to extrude this, so we're going to go up here, get the extrude tool, and we're just going to, I think my ortho snap might be off. Oh no, I think it's on. Let's check. Oh, now it's on. We're just going to pull this up by 20 millimeters, and that's because that's how much it needs extruding. So that now is extruded up. Yep, there it is. Now we have it. Our lovely 3D hook has been recreated in all its lovely, lovely glory. Can't tell it's 3D from that side, can you? No. But there we go. That's it, all nice and done. And it looks lovely. Two of the same. I don't know what this effect is. Might just be where it's been done. But yeah, that's 3D Hook.